I don't get anything in Lebanese.
I don't understand the spelling rules.
At my age, I don't even know how to write in Lebanese.
Why are there so few videos?
Oh, don't worry, I have a solution. Watch Learn Lebanese in 2 minutes.
The first expression we are going to learn today is good morning. Sabah al-khair. Sabah means morning and khair means good. Sabah al-khair. Second expression is how are you? There are two ways to say how are you in Arabic, depending on your speaker. If it's a man, you will say kifak. If it's a woman, you will say kifik. Kifak, kifik. The answer to that, which is good, is mnih for a man and mniha for a woman. Mnih, mniha. The third expression we are going to learn today is what's your name? شو اسمك for a man? شو اسمك for a woman? شو اسمك? شو اسمك? The answer to that question is اسمي Mark for a man, and it's the same answer for a woman. For example, اسمي Sonia. And the last expression for today is where do you come from? من وين أنت for a man? من وين أنت for a woman? من وين أنت؟ من وين أنت؟